Imagine having ChatGPT in your WhatsApp chats. Well, I'll show you how to set it up so that you can ask questions and get AI answers without leaving WhatsApp. So here's how you can chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. First, go ahead, open your WhatsApp application on your device. Tap on the plus icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on new contact. Enter the first name as ChatGPT. Enter their phone number and then tap on save, which is highlighted in green color. Now go ahead, open the chat, and then have a conversation with the ChatGPT. Now you can start chatting with ChatGPT. You can ask about news, monuments, math problems, or even a personalized diet plan. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.